JFF Vice President Raymond is expressing a deep shock at the conduct of the Michael Ricketts-led federation following last Saturday's Congress at the Montego Bay Community College. According to Raymond Anderson, who is challenging Michael Ricketts for the JFF presidency, it was a blatant contradiction of democratic principles to have the Congress ahead of the deadline of December 20 for Pillar 3 members to register in accordance with the Constitution. Anderson says even the deadline date was wrong, as it should have been December 19 instead. As a result, Intercol and the Referees Association were not admitted, as they would have to be first recommended by the JFF board ahead of Congress.
I personally wrote to the General Secretary asking him to the General Secretary and the President, I just remember both of them, and not even an answer from the President, because that is not in his interest to really get these two organizations that is fully compliant to really come to the Congress for some form of consideration for ratification.
Anderson went further to say the decision to exclude the two associations from the voting Congress has left the integrity of Jamaica's football at stake.
And you know, they, as some of our colleagues again inside of the room, don't see it fit to really have these people. That is fully compliant before the 19th of December to really come and get ratification. If this is not injustice, if this is not corruption, then somebody need to tell me what really is corruption.
Anderson says the Real Solid Action team will continue to fight for those associations to be represented in Jamaica's football.
We now have to, as some lover of football, we now have to ensure that we continue to encourage these organizations to don't give up, because football is here to stay. And I can tell you, we, as the team, will try our best to ensure those people the privilege that they want. But as again, football is here to stay, and whosoever believe that they are here to stay.
That time will be January 14, when the JFF elections will be conducted.